moving forward, every single program you write will be done using functions. Sometimes your program will only have one function, but will have at least one going forward. So let's talk a little bit about writing some simple functions. So we're going to start by defining the function, and you do that with a def that tells it's a function, then you put in the function name. And this is the beginning of our function. It also needs to have open and closing parentheses and a colon. Then everything that happens in the function will be done tabbed in. So we would print hello. And we could have multiple statements here, so we would print world. This is great, but if we programmed this into your compiler with nothing else, nothing would happen. For a function, you have to call it to tell it when to run. So we would need to call the function, and we would do that by, at the same level in the indentation as the definition, we would have to call the function. So calling the function is just using the function name. And since there's nothing to pass to it, we'd call that. Then it would run and it would print hello world on the screen. So basic functions are pretty easy to use like that. This isn't typically the way we're going to write them though. Typically, and this is what you're going to do going forward, is you will write the entire program using functions. So we would have a main function, and in this case we just have main call greeting. Notice that these are on the same line, and we'll have to call main. So here we would call our function in the same line. And make sure you have the parentheses or it's not a true function call. And then we would call subfunctions from main. So this is what all of your programs are going to have going forward. They will have a main function, and you need to call it or it won't work. So this is how our programs will be structured going forward.